Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to go to a car show cruising in Doniphan. We're going to drive out there, park, do the cruise in, and hopefully get it all done before the thunderstorms start. All right, well we made it. As you can see, the clouds in this area starting to get a little dark out here. So hopefully this clear weather holds up for a little while, and we can get out here and check out some cars and maybe go for a lap around the corner. Well, not sure if you can hear me, but we were standing there checking out cars, and it started hailing, and some thunder and lightning hit, and now it's pouring rain. So as you can see, I have no windshield wipers. I didn't think ahead to wipe down the windshield with Windex, and we're going to see if we can stay ahead of this storm and get home. Join me, won't you?